Good morning, class. Today we are going to begin Earth as a Planet, Part 2. This is Class 9 Geography. The unique planet. Earth is only planet in our solar system which supports life. It is called a living planet as well as unique planet of the solar system. The favorable factors which makes life possible on the Earth are as follow. Right distance from the sun. Second, presence of hydrosphere. Third, presence of atmosphere. Fourth, presence of lithosphere, and it is also known as solid crust. Right distance from the sun. Our habitable earth is neither too close nor too far from the sun. The average distance between the sun and the earth is about 150 million kilometers. Average temperature of the earth is 17 degrees centigrade, which is suitable for life. Any small variations in the distance between the earth and the sun will result into either very hot or very cold atmosphere on the surface of the earth, which in turn will result into complete evaporation of water from the earth's surface or complete freezing of water on the earth. Both the situation will not be in favor of mankind. Presence of hydrosphere. Water is found in abundance in the oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, etc. It covers 71% of the surface of the earth. Water is in the form of vapor in the atmosphere, which together makes the earth a watery planet. It also plays an important role in terms of evolution of life, and it also the moderation of temperature on the earth. Old researchers have shown that the life was evolved through oceans and seas. Presence of atmosphere. The envelope of air around the earth is called the atmosphere. The perfect composition of gases available in the earth's atmosphere makes it suitable for living beings. Oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide have perfect proportion. Oxygen is needed by all organisms for respiration. Nitrogen helps in keeping the atmosphere cool and provides nutrients needed by plants. Carbon dioxide is essential for plant life in the process of photosynthesis. Ozone layer present in the stratosphere checks the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. It absorbs the terrestrial radiation and helps the life to exist on the earth. It also provides a protective cover to the earth from falling meteors which gets burnt in the outer hot layer of the atmosphere. Presence of lithosphere or solid crust. Weathering of rock makes a valuable layer of soil which supports plants' life. The soil provides essential nutrients to the plants for their growth. Plants directly or indirectly supports animal life. A thin layer of outer crust, which is a storehouse of minerals, supports the industrial development. Biosphere. A thin layer where atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere meet provide favorable conditions for life to exist. The narrow zone where exchange of matter takes place and which supports life is known as biosphere. The sun is the ultimate source of heat, light and energy for all living beings. This energy flows from one trophic level to another through food chain. The plant gets energy from the sun to make their food through photosynthesis process. So they are called primary producers or autotrophs. Most of the animals depends upon these producers or plants or animals for the energy supply. So they are called consumers or heterotrophs. The animals which depends on plants for their energy are called primary consumers or herbivores. The animals which consumes herbivore animal to get their energy are called secondary consumer or carnivores. When the animal die, the decomposers or micro consumers decompose the dead organic matter of plants and animals by releasing the mineral element into the atmosphere or soil, which is a major constituent of the animal and plants. Ecosystem. An ecosystem explains the interaction between living organisms and non-living components like soil, water, and air, in which food chain works by flow of the sun's energy. All organisms in the biosphere are linked through food chain by which energy flows in the biosphere. So there is a network called ecosystem functioning through physical and organic environment. The only natural satellite of our earth is moon. Moon is a gravitational pull is too weak to hold the gases, so there is an absence of atmosphere. There is an extreme difference of temperature between day, that is 270 degrees centigrade of the moon, and that of the night is minus 173 degrees centigrade. Water is not available on the moon, so there is no life. Atmosphere is not there to protect the moon from the falling meteors. Thank you, children, and please read the chapter and solve all the question answers given at the end of the chapter. And next class we are going to begin with the new chapter, latitudes and longitudes.